How to create a new custom gesture in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option accessibility. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on touch. Now here you can see the option assistive touch. Now click on it and here you can turn on your assistive touch. After turn on your assistive touch, then scroll down and click on create new gesture. Now here you can draw a gesture and then click on stop and then click on save. Now here you can rename your gesture and then click on save. Now click on double tap and select your custom gesture. After that, go back to your home screen and test it. Now double tap on your gesture and it will be enabled. Now simply drag and so this is the way to add a custom gesture in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.